Welcome to the 1-minute introduction of character creation for Everybody Loves Zombies. I'm Spencer with Wintersong Media, and you can find out more at the links in the description. Character creation in Everybody Loves Zombies is broken down into 4 steps: personal info, skills, traits, and starting gear. Filling out personal information is easy. Choose a name, age, and gender, and think about your character's personalities, goals, and motivations before moving on to choosing your character's skills. The skill step is broken down into 2 steps. Choose your 6 key skills, which are skills that can acquire skill specialties, while non-key skills cannot. After choosing key skills, spend your 12 skill points across all skills. At character creation, skills can have a max of 3 skill points invested. Traits are bonuses to characters that have a positive and a negative side. You must choose at least one, but can choose up to 3. These traits will help round out a character and bolster roleplaying. The last step is buying gear, and you get 14 points. Don't spend them all in one place. And after that, you finish creating your character. And that's the 1-minute intro for Everybody Loves Zombies character creation. I hope to see you in the next 1-minute intro.